Hey traders, let's talk about the number one reason why most people fail in the markets. You might think it est because they don't have the perfect strategy or some secret indicator, but honestly, that's not it. The real reason most traders blow up their accounts is much simpler. They break their own risk management rules. Think about it. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you risk too much on a single trade, one loss can wipe you out. Success isn't about finding a holy grail system. It's about protecting your capital like a fortress. It's about executing your plan objectively without letting fear or greed take over. And it's about repeating that solid process flawlessly, day in and day out. Forget the hype and the signal sellers. Focus on discipline. Protect your capital, execute your plan, and stay consistent. That's the real path to longevity in this game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more real trading talk.